Who among you are the fans of APJ Abdul Kalam, Subhash Chandra Bose, and Lal Bahadur Shastri? Do you know who was their hero? Swami Vivekanand. And this documentary is about him. Swami Vivekanand was born on 12th January 1863 on Makar Sankranti. Their parents kept his name Narendranath. People used to call him Naren. His father's name was Vishwanath Datta. He was an lawyer at the Calcutta High Court. Her mother's name was Bhubneshwari Devi and she was a housewife. In childhood, Swami Vivekanand's mother taught him every day. He used to go in a library and take a book to his house to read. One day, a worker from the library asked Swami Vivekananda, "Do you actually take these books to read or just to see the pictures?" Then Swami Vivekananda replied, "To read. You can ask me anything." Then the worker asked few questions and Swami Vivekananda gave every answer correctly. Swami Vivekananda wanted to see the God, so he went to Brahma Samaj. But from there, he didn't get to see the God. He had listened so much about Ram Krishna Paramhans, so he went to meet him and asked him, "What is that thing you always call God? Can you prove me that there is God?" Ramakrishna Paramhans replied, "Well, I'm the proof." Then Swami Vivekananda said, "Can you make me experience whatever it is?" Then Ramakrishna Paramhans placed his foot on Swami Vivekananda's chest. After that, Swami Vivekananda got faint and woke up after few hours. When he woke up, his all doubts were cleared. Swami Vivekananda went to the Parliament of Religion in USA to spread his knowledge of ancient India. Parliament of Religion was opened on September 1893. One representative of each religion was present in the parliament. These religions were Islam, Christianity, Shintoism, Confucianism, Buddhism, Hinduism, and Jainism. Swami Vivekananda's turn came at the last, and these are few famous lines spoken by him at Chicago, USA, 1893.
It fills my heart with joy unspeakable to rise and respond to the warm and cordial welcome which you have given us. I thank you in the name of the most ancient order of monks in the world. I thank you in the name of the mother of religions. I thank you in the name of millions and millions of Hindu people of all classes and sects. I am proud to belong to a religion that has taught the world both tolerance and universal acceptance. We believe not only in universal toleration, but we accept all religions as true. I am proud to belong to a nation that has sheltered the persecuted and the refugees of all the religions and all the nations of the earth.
On religion, Swami Vivekananda said that he never regarded any religion as good or bad. He said that every religion is the way to God, just as there can be many doors to go into one building. Although Swami Vivekananda is not physically present among us, but his teachings and preachings are eternal and will remain fresh in our minds.